Hey everyone, for Restart here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change or replace your Toyota remote battery on the FOB here. It's really simple to do. This is specifically for a Toyota Camry, but similarly work with other models as well. So you need, of course, a key. You need a CR 2032 battery like this. You can pick them up from your Walmart or any local store or even Amazon as well. It's a small battery that you need. And then you need a flathead like this. Works really good. Now if you don't have this, you can also use a key as well, which I'll show you how to do. So first thing you'll start by doing is you look for this little corner where you can insert your flathead. Really the smaller flathead, you can put it in there. If you don't have a flathead like this, you can also take a key and it insert as well into that little slot. And then what you do is you just basically put it in and give it a twist. And if you twist it, not too hard, just like a little back and forth, you should see it start to crack up. And when it does that, it basically splits in two pieces. Be careful when you do this, because in the bottom piece where you have these fall out really quick and you have to place them. So once you have those and this popped out, just keep it intact. I usually just like to pull out this little piece, and you'll see these down below. Just let them or leave them flat here so you can put them back again. And after you do that, remember you're taking it out like this from it. You'll notice this cut corner, and inside these are the buttons that actually interact, and you need to take this cover off. Again, the flathead works really well for this, but you can also just use a little bit of something that's like will squeeze in there, make it like a tweezer or something. Basically, you pop the cover off, the black one. You can use your finger. You don't have to do it too hard. It just takes a little bit of maneuvering. And you can see here, we can just put that flathead in. Let's see, couple, and then slowly, if you do that couple pries, you're gonna see the battery here. And then in order to replace the battery, notice the plus sign is here. You're gonna simply go ahead and usually start from this corner or so. You're gonna just gently pry it up. You don't want to, there's some tabs here. You don't want to break those tabs. So you want to do is just put it in one angle and it just pops up. And take a note of how it is, and then you take basically your new one, the plus sign facing up, and you just gently slide it in that slot. So here, I'm going to go ahead and slide it in. So you're going to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead. So this one specifically, the battery is a 2016. So it's actually not 2032. In the beginning I said 2032, but this is a 2016. So it's the smaller one. And it'll slide right back in like this. So make sure you get the 2016, or even open it up and verify. Some of the newer ones have 2032 I've seen. And then basically the cover goes back in exactly the way it is. Just press it in with your finger, and after that you just place it back in here. Sits flush nicely, and then you just take the cover and the same thing, just put it back on. You're going to use your fingers to gonna snap it back in place like this. Make sure this matches up, and you have your replacement just like that. So that's how you change or replace the smart FOB battery on your Toyota. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.